Best crew quality goes to Kormodiv.
Is this the vlog?
It is.
The vlog.
Yeah.
1 of 1. Welcome. Taking my picture.
Sick.
Is this the vlog?
It
This
is.
is the vlog.
Yeah.
1 of 1. Welcome.
Welcome.
Kormodiv vlog 1 of 1. Me and my boy Anthony.
We do everything. We're models, we're the techs, we're
Car customizers, car builders,
Yeah.
car destroyers.
whatever you want us to be, we are.
So who has my ticket? You miss me?
You don't have one.
here.
We didn't register you again.
Are we gonna chill behind them or are we gonna go around? Just cut them all in line.
This is a one-off Honda Fit. Left-hand drive conversion from Japan.
I don't get it.
16-inch wheels.
I don't get it.
Sports edition.
I mean, you got hand cooks.
I think we're going the wrong way.
I don't care.
Somebody has to get that quality.
Where are we at? We're at the Ontario Convention Center for Slammedenuff Socal 2021, and we're Kormodiv.
Alright, what's up? This is Anthony from Kormodiv, checking in here at Slammedenuff 2021 in Ontario Convention Center. Pretty good turnout here. A lot of cars, a lot of bus, a lot of Kormodiv representing today. I don't know what else to say.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Just so you guys know, best crew quality is not the amount of cars you bring. It's if the cars you have are fire individually. All right? Best crew quality goes to Kormodiv.
Your model. I drive a 2009 Honda Fit, sport mode, GPS included.
He thinks the camera can hear him.
5 shift.
Yeah, you gotta speak a little louder.
I'm just moving my mouth.